All right, how to make money online. So you're going to have to do work to make money online. So today we're going to go over some easier ways to make money online. You might not make a bunch of money, but easy things to do, and then some tougher things that are going to require more work but can provide you passive income. So we're going to share those with you. If you stay to the end, I'm going to share with you what I think is the #1 way to make money, long-term residual online for 2021. So let's look at all the different ways you can make money online, easy and the more difficult ways. So the first thing we're going to look at is Swagbucks, right? So if you look at Swagbucks, you have to be 13 years old, so you can't be under 13. And basically, you make money by taking surveys, shopping, watching videos, etc., right? So you gain the points, and then when you gain the points, as you can see in the background here, there's Amazon gift cards. You get a gift card, right? So this is one way. This is one of the easier ways. You just sign up, kind of do some things, not really hard, and you can make some cash online. Okay, the other one, this one's going to be a little bit more trickier, a little harder, setting up an Amazon store. Now, this is going to be harder, right? You got to source your products, find a product to sell, set up a store, get all this stuff set up. And as you can see, there's just you can just sell anything on Amazon. I mean, they got everything. Walmart also is another place now where they're, from what I've heard, is starting to take vendors, and you can start selling your stuff on Walmart.com. But this is a great way, long-term residual income, but you really got to set it up right. This is going to be a tricky one, and this is not like, hey, just throw a product out on Amazon and start selling like wildfire. That's just not how things work. So make sure you do your research and understand before you start an Amazon store and start selling products. Another one is photos. So let's say you're a photographer. You like to go out and shoot photos, videos, whatever it is. You can actually sell your photos and videos on places like Depositphotos.com. This is what I use for all my photos for my websites and different things. And if you look here, they kind of tell you, hey, you'll get 25 cents to $33.82 per photo. Takes about 6 months to get really stable income coming in. Once you post a video or you post a photo, I mean, you can make money off that photo forever. Maybe 10 people buy it, 100 people buy it, 5 people buy it. I mean, it doesn't really matter, right? It's a photo that gives you a chance to make some residual income. I know 25 cents really isn't a lot, but let's say you take a lot of photos and you've uploaded 1,000 photos, and let's say the average in between here, let's say you make $5 to $10 a photo, or on videos is even more. You can make up to $64 a video. That can end up being some pretty significant income, especially if you have 2, 3, 4,000 photos, or even 3, 4, or 500 videos, and people are using them all the time. So all you have to do is just go to Deposit Photos, sign up as a contributor. Everything that we have here will be in the link in the description, so we'll have links to everything, so you can just click on it and go and become a contributor if you want. Another one is Ibotta. You get cash back on groceries and so much more. So you just sign up, shows you here how it works and how you get the real cash backs. So this is probably an easier one. I would think Deposit Photos is pretty easy too. I mean, you go out and take photos, and then you download the photos, and you sign up, and it's pretty straightforward. So these aren't overly difficult, and you can start making money pretty quickly, I would assume, on both this one and the Deposit Photos. Another one you want to do is, you can look at what's called affiliate sales, right? So now this one's going to take long term. Affiliate sales is good money, residual money, but it's a long-term play, right? You can't usually just set up a website and start getting traffic and start making affiliate sales in like a week, 2 weeks, a month. This is a long-term play, right? So if you look at Potoonpedia, they've had this website a couple years. They probably make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month, and what they do is they've got these how-to guides, beginner guides, tips and essentials, but basically they review gear. And when they review the gear, they have affiliate links, and those affiliate links usually go to Amazon or wherever, and then if they buy it on Amazon, then they get a commission. So recommended gear here is where they have a lot of gear, like towable tubes, best anchors, different things like that. People click on these and then they go and then they buy an anchor for their boat. You get a commission. Okay, Musicxray is another one. It's one of those things where the company sends music to your inbox and you get paid a few cents to listen to the song. They're hoping that you like the song and you send it over to your friends, and then they join up and like the songs too. It's only a few cents. This was another easy one that you could set up right away and start making some money. But like I said, it's probably not going to be a ton of money. It's not like doing affiliate or selling products online through Amazon. You're not going to make a ton of money doing this one. So, when you're looking at these, you got to figure out, what do you want to do? Do you need to make income right now, like quickly, or do you just need, are you looking for long-term income, passive income? And that's why I'm trying to tell you exactly which ones are the ones that are kind of quicker income, not make as much, and which ones might take a longer period and require a lot more work. So another one that would be a quicker one, and you can actually make pretty decent money, is going to be Fiverr, right? So you can set up to create a website for somebody if you know how to do website design, if you know how to do videos or video editing, you know how to do programming, game development, any of this stuff on here. You can go and set up an account and then start selling your services, and people will pay you for this. And you can get paid pretty good money, right? So check out Fiverr. It's a good way to get started quickly, and you can make pretty decent money as soon as you start driving traffic on Fiverr to your gig, and it's a great way. Another one that we like is podcast. Now, podcast is a long play. You're not going to set up a podcast unless you're some kind of celebrity or somebody everybody knows you, and you're not going to get a ton of people coming to your podcast right away. This is a long play. It's probably a year or two. You can make some real good money. I didn't pull it up, but if you look at the top podcasters, there's some of them making millions and millions of dollars for their podcast, but they're the most popular. Not saying that you won't or will be. You might or might not. I don't know. Depends on how entertaining you are. But podcast is another one. It's long play. You can make some good money, especially if you give out good content. Okay, another one is Wyzant. You can be a tutor, right? So you can sign up to tutor, and it is pretty straightforward. Manage your tutoring business. See? So right here, get paid, hassle-free pay. Choose your own hourly rate, helps you resolve billing issues, receive fast, easy payment from Wyzant by direct deposit. Top tutors have earned $50,000 plus a year. So if you know a lot about a different subject, math, English, whatever it is, Spanish, whatever, become a tutor online. I mean, they're saying here you can make up to $50,000, right, if you're really good. So that's a good way to do it. Voices, all right? So now, let's say you have a great voice. You can do voiceovers for people. So you can go to voices.com. I have that in the link if you need to check it out. And you can sign up. Now, with voices.com doing voiceovers, they have a membership pricing. So it sounds like you can sign up, but you got to kind of pay them to get access to people wanting to use your voiceover services, which is fine. So you might have to fork out a little bit of money just to get the traffic, and then if you're good at voiceovers and you get a ton of traffic, start doing a bunch of voiceovers, you can make some pretty good money with that. Now, if you can, hit the like and subscribe button, but now we're coming to the number one way, I think, personally, that you can make money in 2021 for the long-term haul, right? It's not too late, so if you think it's too late, don't worry about it, but it's YouTube, right? So if we look at YouTube, YouTube is a great way to make money. You do videos, you can do them at home, you can edit them yourself, you can download it, you can talk about a specific subject. Like us, we're trying to help people, make money online, how to find different websites that they can use to make money, how to set up blogs, and how to set up a YouTube channel. We try to help people set these things up for success in the future, for making extra cash for their family, or maybe even going into it full time and quitting your day-to-day job, right? Depends on just how good you do and how high you want to scale on this. But YouTube channel is, we feel, one of the best for 2021. You can make money on ads. You can make money selling products, so you can put links in the descriptions to a store. If you have a store or website, they can go to your store website, buy products, whether it's t-shirts, pens, pencils, whatever that you're selling. You can sell an e-course. So if you have a website, an e-course, you can show your expertise on YouTube, have people go back to your e-course and buy your e-course to learn whatever you know. And then, there's affiliate. So you can put affiliate links, like if you look here on YouTube, Think Media. If you click on Think Media, in his description, they'll always have different links to different products that you can buy. And that's a great way to make extra cash, because when they click that link, boom, they go to a store, they buy it, and you earn a commission. So there's several different ways on YouTube to make money, and there's also, as far as producing videos, it's pretty straightforward. You just got to buy the camera, learn how to shoot the proper angles and do all the video, edit it, and then just put it onto YouTube, right? So you can usually do that all yourself. You don't have to hire anyone to do that. And that is the top way in 2021 to make money.